Chosen ones, I want you to know, because you are full of confidence and you're happy and you're smiling and you speak with such great authority because you know God gave it to you and you got it. I want you to know that it's people around you that takes that as being conceited. There's people around you that takes your confidence and your ambition and your joy as being haughty. I just want to say, get back, Satan. You understand what I'm talking about? You have been through so much in your life that they don't even know the hell that you probably had to go through last week. So they sit there and they look at you because you smile anyway. You're brave anyway. You have courage anyway. You have mastered your emotions anyway. You're doing internal work on yourself because you understand how imperative it is for you to constantly stay connected and in alignment with the flow and frequency of God. And because you are happy and because you speak with such power and authority, I want you to understand that people are saying that you are conceited and haughty. You understand what I'm saying? You need to calm it down. You need to bring it down a notch. I don't think so. Go get back, Satan. Do you understand what I'm saying? No, you need to bring it up a notch. You need to let people know how it looks like to go through a storm and still have confidence that God is going to work on your behalf. You need to let people know what it looks like when somebody done told you something on the health report, but you believe in God and you smiling anyway. You need to let somebody know what it looks like for you to have a broken heart and you still got a smile plastered on your face because God gave it to you. You need to let people understand what it looks like to go through hell, baby, and don't even look like it. I want you to understand that because you have confidence, because you have power, and because you're using your authority, the devil is mad and speaking through people to call you haughty and just snooty. I want you to understand that they mad. Okay? Because of the fact that you have joy in your heart. You're haughty. You think you're better than everybody else. Because you choose to do something different and have nice things in your life. You think you're high and Miss Mighty because you choose to carry yourself with respect and class and not be out here looking like a loose goose. Then all of a sudden you snooty. You see what I'm saying? Because when you have a standard that you live by and you walk with like air under your feet, and you speak with such authority and poise, the devil don't like that because he never wanted you to understand what poise was. He never wanted you to understand what confidence felt like to wear it. He never wanted you to understand how the righteousness of God feels on your shoulders. He never wanted you to understand how it really feels to be invigorated and set free because God has broken the yoke that used to be so heavy on your neck. He never wanted you to understand it. So now that you walk and you speak and you're, hey, how you doing? How are you? And you're just a happy person. Now the enemy in them is mad because they're thinking, who do you think you are? I'm over here struggling. I'm over here suffering. I'm over here miserable. And you got a smile on your face like you're better than us. I want you to understand that is a purified manifestation of a low vibrational energy and frequency just beaming through people. I want you to stay connected. I want you to stay respected, first of all, by yourself. Respect yourself enough to continue to walk in the vein that God has created for you to walk in. Continue to put a smile on your face if you feel like it. Continue to speak confidently, even if they say that you're conceited and that you're haughty. Continue to do great things for the kingdom, great things for yourself, great things for your loved ones, great things in your community, because God put us here to light it completely up. Oh, back to hell you go, Satan, because we're going to continue to do what God has put us here on this earth to do. And ain't nobody mad but the evil one. Ain't nobody mad but the evil one. So when they come at you, telling you that you think that you're better than everyone else, when they come at you with that foolishness, let it come in one ear, baby, and out the other. Like sweat bead on your shoulder. Let it roll completely off because you know who you are. You know who you belong to. You know what you're here to do. because God is sure enough blessing you, because you've been through too much to turn back now. And God has given you too much power to water it down. If you can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen. And if the light is too bright, then go ahead on and take flight. Cause baby, it is a Kodo, a chosen one takeover. Where y'all at? And until the next video, guys, peace, because I believe in you. Bye now. Have a good day. Love you.